Ask, how can I make my videos better? Do that every single day for years. You want them to be able to, like, when they're scrolling through their suggested or homepage or whatever touch point, you want them to instantly be able to understand what you're conveying. And you want them to feel some type of emotion, you know what I mean? The way I like to phrase it is you want to make it so interesting or spike their curiosity or whatever emotion so much that, like, if they don't click it, they'll wonder, you know, before they go to bed, like, what happened? And like people are falling off the side or whatever. If you don't click that, you're gonna like be so curious. What happened to those 1,000 people on that skateboard? In 10 years, YouTube's gonna be bigger than television ever was for culture, in America at least, in my opinion. And so I think a lot of people underestimate that, and I don't think people really understand just how, like, to be one of the top creators on the biggest social media platform. You don't need a network, you don't need you know, to go through people. You just are. You can do whatever you want, and you can influence people how you want. It's just wild. I think, like, people don't realize just how much influence the top YouTube channels have. People shouldn't be me.